Hi! This time I had the main goal to try a very first time epoxy resin casting. Stay with me and I will show you how from epoxy resin, American walnut and cheap electronics I made this stunning LED night lamp. One of the main materials will be those American walnut pieces. Since I don't have a thickness planer, I ordered it to prepare all work pieces of the required size. They all are in 20 by 20 millimeters. Talking about length, the longer ones are in 200 and the shorter in 120 millimeters length. The very first step is to glue every 4 pieces together by misaligning them in a random pattern. When the glue was dried, prepare the surface for the next glue up by sanding down to get a nice flat surface. The second glue up was similar to the first one. The only difference was that this time I glued 4 already pre-glued boards to a solid rectangular wood block. Glue dried and I got 2 solid walnut blocks. Used miter saw and flattened one end of each block. Sacrificial plywood pieces help to avoid any walnut tear-outs. Clean cut ends with the sandpaper. Take a look at that nice end grain. I used a palm router and milled a hole in the flat walnut block end. Here will be hidden all electronic parts. Drill 3 mm hole all the way through the block. Through this hole will be wired LEDs from top to bottom. I mixed a small part of the same epoxy resin, which will be used later, and covered all wood